Hello, my name is Hassan Khan and I have got rank 643 in this year UPSC 2024. And as the pre is over and the preparation for UPSC mains 2025 is beginning, so we need to focus on GS mains questions, answers, and how to approach these questions papers. And I have written 2 mains and I have got good GS score in my especially in GS1 paper. So on the SPM platform, I will be discussing how to approach different questions in GS1, GS2 and GS3, especially in GS1 as there are 3 questions, 3 papers, history as well as social society and geography. And each paper has a specific demand of for their subject. For instance, when we discuss about the ancient and medieval history or art and culture, this requires us to focus on the prelims information that we have learned for the prelims, and we need to mention it in the answers as well, especially in the art and culture questions. For instance, last year the question was for the Pallab contribution in the art and literature. So the question we would be mentioning about the Sita Navassal paintings. We would be mentioning about the Alwars and Nainar literature. We would be mentioning about the Kamban's Ramayana. So these are different art and culture portions that we will be discussing in the GS mains answers. And for you see in the same manner when we discuss about the modern history. So when we are writing about the modern history questions, we need to mention about the circumstances in which different events were occurring, what were their outcomes, and what were the situation when the different events occurred. So we will discuss in the modern history answers as well. While we are writing in geography answers, we need to ensure that there are diagrams of the geography almost in every question, and the specific geographical terms and geophysical phenomena we need to mention. For instance, last year only the question was on the cloudburst. So the question was on the cloudburst. So we need to mention about the cumulonimbus clouds. We need to mention about the orographic rainfalls and other kinds of specific geographical terms. So we will be discussing in the geography questions how to ensure that specific geographical terms are there in the answers and specific diagrams are there in the answer. Similarly, in the society questions, the focus should be more on the sociological terms as well as the societal observations, because as the society is changing, so the family structure is changing, family functions is changing. So the question would be on the different functions or dysfunctions of the family, the different roles of the family, and what kind of changes are occurring. Similarly, urbanizations, there are different dimensions of urbanizations, and the urbanizations would be there in one manner or another. So we will be discussing on the SPM platform. I and along with the other rank holders of this year 2024, we will be discussing GS1, GS2 and GS3 questions and answers and specific structure of those questions, and all of you can get help out of it in your GS mains 2025. Thank you.